Top features: compact, aggressive mount styling. A stripped-down look is achieved by removing unnecessary bodywork elements and refocusing attention on the pure mechanical beauty of the muscular engine and compact frame. Twin-eye monofocus LED headlights and LED position lights situated above the headlights combine with a compact nose assembly to minimize overhang and lend a refined, dominant style. Enlarged, functional intake ducts mounted on either side of the fuel tank cover increase efficiency while further enhancing the bike's aggressiveness. Full-color 4.2-inch TFT display. The Montana 10 comes equipped with a premium full-color 4.2-inch TFT display, featuring a clear, easy-to-read screen and intuitive function navigation controlled by a scrolling menu switch on the right handlebar and a quick select mode switch on the left handlebar. The next evolution of the Montana 10 is equipped with a refined version of the 998cc liquid-cooled CP4 crossplane engine derived from the race-ready YZF-R1 power plant, providing a linear, torque-rich delivery. This is the most potent and technologically advanced engine ever seen on a Yamaha hyper-naked motorcycle. Fuel injection settings have been optimized, and design of the intake and exhaust systems modified to lend the Montana 10 a torquier, more street-focused engine character. Electronics 6-axis IMU with rider aids. Slide control system, SCS, a front-wheel lift control system, leaf, engine brake management, EBM, and a brake control, BC, system with lean-sensitive ABS. Advanced Quick Shift System, QSS. 4-mode Yamaha Ride Control, YRC. Yamaha Variable Speed Limiter, YVSL, Advanced Ride-by-Wire Throttle now with APS-G. Cruise Control System. Delta Box Aluminum Frame. The Montana 10 uses an aluminum Delta Box frame derived from the YZF-R1 Superbike to create a lightweight and responsive chassis that is built for agility with its ultra-compact 55.3-inch wheelbase. Fully adjustable KYB fork. The Montana 10 features an inverted 43mm KYB front fork which offers full adjustability and 4.7 inches of travel. The Montana 10 rolls on lightweight 5-spoke aluminum wheels for nimble steering and suspension feel. Bridgestone Batlax Hypersport S22 tires.